Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are alright. Before to start the video, I ask to you that firstly subscribe our channel and press the bell button. It may cause a notification of our new videos in your mobile. Coming back to our video. This video is about TXS hot air balloon crash victims family frustrated with slow moving safely changes nearly 5 years later. Austin. This week, Patricia Morgan looked up to the sky above her son's Colorado home to see a hot air balloon. On the side, it said bucket list. She said that was on my daughter's bucket list. Morgan remembers her daughter and granddaughter as the daredevils of the family, which is why they boarded a hot air balloon in Lockhart, TX on a July day in 2016. Original story: 16 killed in hot air balloon crash near Lockhart. It's no longer the same, she cried. This month marks 5 years since Morgan lost both women in the deadliest hot air balloon crash in United States history. They were two of the 16 people, including the balloon pilot, who were killed in a fiery crash. An investigation by the National Transportation Safety Board (NTSB) found the pilot was as impaired as a drunk driver when he flew the balloon into a power line. They said Alfred Skip Nicholas had taken a mixture of prescription medication such as Prozac, Valium, and oxycodone. Morgan joined forces with federal lawmakers to push for changes to the way balloon rides are regulated. In the fall of 2018, U.S. Representative Lloyd Doggett and U.S. Senator Ted Cruz both worked on legislation to require medical and physical exams for commercial balloon pilots, similar to what's required for commercial airline pilots. The legislation passed, but as the 5 years anniversary of the crash approaches, Morgan is frustrated to see a Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) has not put any rules or regulations on the issue into practice. The FAA has delayed and delayed even after the law, which I thought was explained. They now claim they need a regulation before they can do anything. REP Doggett explained, just a spirit of indifference. At a board meeting in March, the NTSB said these operations, which carry thousands of passengers for compensation of hire each year, are not held to same maintenance, airworthiness, and operational standards as air carrier, commuter, and on demand and air tour operations. A spokesperson for the FAA sent KXAN documents acknowledging the latest NTSB recommendation. The document state it will assess the feasibility of these safety recommendations. It said the agency would provide as update by the end of the year. When we first started working and looking into this, we realized the FAA was slow, he said. Representative John Carrier lives about 4 miles from the crash site and represents the area at the state legislature. He said there was not much he could do to make change here in Texas since the industry is regulated at a federal level. When you do hear of other accidents that are very similar, it is another reminder that people have lost their loved ones, he said. Less than a week ago, 5 people died in a hot air balloon accident in New Mexico. Officials said the balloon hit the power line, separating the balloon like part of a vessel called an employ from the gondola where passengers stand. It was just like we are living the accident all over again. Morgan said nothing the similarities in the two crashes aside from the state of mind of the point. That angers me because nothing gets done, he said. Unfortunately, I just do not think FAA understands the horrific impact this has on everybody, all the families, the victims, everybody involved in the balloon industry. I continue to say the FAA shirks their responsibilities and the NTSB has been on them for years and years and years. Still to this day nothing getting done. Okay viewers, this is the video which was I talking about. Hope you all are like my video. To spread this news in all over our country, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell button. It may cause a notification of our new videos in your mobile. Okay viewers, take care of all your family members. Bye bye.